Hello, welcome to LM Math Group Online Institution. Today we'll discuss about recently conducted Essay 1 bit paper analysis. Now, the first question is the prime factorization of 84. So first we can take LCM of 84 with the prime factors. That will be 2 times 42, then 2 times 21, 3 times 7. The product is 2 square times 2, 3 times 2, 7. So the option will be D. I can write here. The next one, A and B are disjoint sets, then n of A equal to 5, that is number of A equal to 5, number of A union B equal to 8, then number of B equal to, they're asking to find. So we know the formula, if A and B are disjoint sets, n of A union B equal to n of A plus n of B. That means n of A is 5 plus n of B need to calculate, which is n of A union B is 8 is given. Now 8 minus 5, that will be nothing but n of B, which is 3. So option is D. We can go to the next question then. Yeah, see the diagram, the given Venn diagram is completely B is unshaded. That's why we can go to the option C, that is A minus B. Now the next question, sum of the roots of the quadratic polynomial 2x square negative 8x plus 6. So we know the formula, sum of the quadratic polynomial, that is nothing but minus b by a. And alpha and beta are the roots. The sum of the roots is minus b by a. That is minus b is nothing but coefficient of x, that will be minus of minus 8 over a is the coefficient of x square will be the 2. So that will be minus of minus, that will be plus 8 over 2, which is 4. The option is A. Next question now, the infinite set among the following. So first question is given that first option, x says that x belongs to n and x less than 100. So we have x less than 100 will be the natural numbers from 1 to 99, that will be finite only. So the next one, x is the natural number and x less than or equal to 5, that will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 only, this also finite. The next one, x belongs to natural number and x greater than or equal to 50, means we can take 50, 51, so on. There is a no last digit of this natural number, so that's why I can go to the infinite set, will be nothing but option C. D also finite, 1, 2, 3, 4 only, so that's why I can give the answer as a C. The next question, the pair of equations 4x minus 3y plus 8 equals 0, 8x minus 10y plus 0 equal to 0 represent. So now we can see the condition for the lines which are parallel or intersecting or coincident. A1 by A2 equal to B1 by B2 equal to C1 by C2. This is a condition. Now A1, the coefficient of x in the first one is A1, the coefficient of y is B1, the constant C1. Similarly, in the next equation, A2 will be the coefficient of x, B2 will be the coefficient of y, C2 is a constant term. Now A1 is nothing but 4 over 8, which is equal to minus 3 over minus 10, which is equal to 8 over 0. So this I can take minus 3 by 10. 4 over 8 cannot be equal to 3 over 10. So the condition is that A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2. The lines are intersecting. So option C I can give here. Now I can go to the next question. Yeah. The median of the sine 30, cos 90, tan 45, sine 45, and cosec 30. Now, see this, we can take the values in terms of numerals. Sine 30 is 1 by 2, cos 90 is nothing but 0, tan 45 is 1, sine 45 is 1 by root 2, and cosec 30 is 2. Now I can take the values in the form of decimals better. So sine 30 is 0.5. This is 0. Already we discussed. The tan 1 is 1. 1 over root 2 is 0.7. And cosec 30 is 2. We can write in the ascending order from small to big. That will be 0. This is the first one. This is the second one. And this is the third one. And this is the fourth one. And this is the fifth one. So the number of terms is 5. The third one is the answer. So we can go to the option as sine 45. Sine 45 is nothing but 1 by root 2. We can go to the option as a D. I can go to next question now. 8th one. Tan theta in terms of sine theta. So already we know that tan theta is nothing but sine theta by cos theta. But cos also we can convert in terms of sine. That's why I can take sine theta over under root of 1 minus sine square, because you know the identity that sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So I need cos in terms of sine. That's why cos square equal to 1 minus sine square theta. Then cos theta is nothing but I can take the square root on both sides. That will be under root of 1 minus sine square. If I replace the cos as in terms of sine theta over 1 minus sine square. So your option will be the C. Next one. What will be the observed, the angle of, what change will be observed in the angle of elevation as we move away from the object? Suppose we have an object AB is there, we are moving away from the object, definitely the angle will going to be decreased. See, this angle is let us suppose 60, this will be 30. We are moving away from the object means the angle is going to be decreased. Next question. In the given figure, the value of theta. So we have the two values are given. One is opposite to the theta, the next one adjacent side. I can go with the ratio of tan, because tan theta is nothing but opposite over adjacent side. Opposite for the theta angle is 60 root 3 over adjacent is 60. Now I can simplify this root 3. In terms of tan, root 3 value is nothing but tan 60. So tan cancel, theta will be the 60 degrees. So I can go to the option D. Next question. The mean of the first four multiples of 4. That means first four multiples of 4 will be 4 plus next multiple is 8 plus next multiple is 12. The fourth multiple is 16 over 4 in number. So 4 plus 8, that will be the 12. 12 plus 12, 24. 24 plus 16 is 40. 40 over 4, the option is 10. So A is option, the answer is 10. So that's why I can give as A. So next question, dash can be obtained from the cumulative frequency curve. Already we know that median can be obtained by the cumulative curve, because we have the less than cumulative or more than cumulative means upper boundaries or lower boundaries can be taken on x-axis and less than cumulative on y-axis. So that's why we can a graph, from the graph we can draw the median. So that's why median can be used for the cumulative frequency curve. So the option will be the C here I can give. Next question. The decimal expansion of 8 over 15. I can divide 8 with 15. We'll see what will happen. So 15. It will not be possible to divide. Take a decimal 0. 15. 5 is 75. This will be the 5. 0. 15. 3 is a 45. Again it will come 5. 15. 3 is a 45. Again it will be the keep on going. That will be non-terminating repeating decimal, because 3 is the digit is coming repeatedly. It is not ending also. That's why it is non-terminating repeating decimal. So option is A. Now I can go to the next question. Logarithmic form of 9 power 2 equal to 81. This is exponential form. We are converting the logarithm form. That's why I can take the log 81 to the base 9 only, which is equal to 2. The option is A. Direct conversion from exponential to the logarithmic form. So that's why the option is A. Now the set formed from the letters of the word mathematics. So we can take the letters only one time. What will appear? That will be M, A, T, H, E. After that, A and M is repeated beginning only. T also appeared. Then I, C, and S. So that appeared in the B. So we can take the option B as the correct one, because the first option A, the letters are T are repeated, A also repeated. In the sets, element cannot be repeated. That's why we can choose the option B, which covered all the letters of the word mathematics. Now the next question, degree of phi. Phi is a constant term, so that's why constant degree will be the 0. Degree of any constant will be 0. That's why I can go to the option C for this question. Next, 17th one. Example of Pythagorean triplet. Already we know the Pythagoras theorem. The square of hypotenuse will be the equal to the sum of the squares of the two sides. So we can pick the highest side in this first question. Let us suppose 11 square. 11 square equal to, that should be the longest side square must be equal to sum of the other two side square. 5 square plus 6 square. 11 square is 121, which is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 36. If not equal, we can leave it. The next one we can say 5 square. That will be nothing but 25 plus 12 square will be the 144. So 5 square is 25 and the 12 square will be the 144, which is equal to 13 square is 139. Yes, this will be 169. 13 square is 169. It can work out. So I can go to the option B, because 13 square, according to Pythagoras theorem, longest side 13 square equal to remaining sum of the squares of the two sides, 12 square plus 5 square. That is 169 equal to 144 as a 12 square, 5 square as 25. The total will be both are equal. That's why the option B is the correct one for the Pythagorean triplet. So the next question, 18th one. X equal tan theta plus secant theta, y equal tan theta minus secant theta, then xy. So we can take the product here. X times y is nothing but tan theta times tan theta plus 6 theta times 2 tan theta minus secant theta. That will be tan square theta minus secant square theta will come. The formula will be a plus b times 2 a minus b as a product. That is nothing but a square minus b square, what I wrote here. But we have the identity as a minus of secant square minus tan square theta. That's why I can give the option as a -1. Because identity is not directly given here, just there is negative of the identity is given. That's why -1 will be the option. I can give as a B option for this answer. Next question. In triangle ABC and similar to triangle PQR, A plus B equal to 110 degrees, then R. Already we know that two triangles are similar, the corresponding angles are equal and the corresponding sides are proportional. ABC is the first triangle is given. Then PQR is the second triangle. So the angle A must be equal to P, angle B must be equal to angle Q, angle C must be equal to angle R. Here A plus given 110. So sum of the angles in a triangle is 180. The third angle will be definitely the 70. So the option R also 70, because angle C must be equal to the angle R. So I can go to the option B using the angle sum property of a triangle. The next question, the quadratic polynomial, the roots of log 4 to the base 2 and log 8 to the base 2. So log 4 to the base 2 is nothing but log 2 square to the base 2, that is 2, log 2 to the base 2 as a 2. Similarly, log 8 to the base 2 as a log, that will be the 2 power 3 to the base 2, that is 3 log 2 to the base 2. I can take it. So the option is 3. So log 4 as a 2 and log 4 as a 3. Then quadratic polynomial with the two roots. First one I can take is alpha, second one as a beta. Then the quadratic polynomial will be x square minus alpha plus beta times 2x plus alpha beta. That is nothing but x square minus alpha plus beta will be 2 plus 3 as a 5x plus alpha beta is 2 times 3 is will be the 6. So I can give the option as a